Yo la team, on se retrouve aujourd'hui pour un nouvel épisode du coup sur la nouvelle série que j'avais fait sur Akashi Shinjuro avec un player que j'avais fait qui ressemblait au Captain Génération Miracle. Donc là on va jouer un match, donc c'était le troisième, on a plutôt un bilan de à 50% avec une victoire et une défaite avec les Knicks. Et du coup là on va jouer Boston. Donc comme on va voir, je vais sortir du banc. J'ai un joueur plutôt pas mal pour l'instant, il a déjà 80 de général, ça va être pas mal, donc je pense qu'on ne devrait pas tarder à se faire une place de titulaire aux Knicks. Du coup on va aller jouer contre Boston, ça va être un gros match. Et je pense que quand on sera titulaire, on pourra faire de très très belles choses avec les Knicks. Déjà là comme ça en sortie de banc on fait des bonnes choses, alors est-ce que ça serait en 5 majeurs avec Barrett à nos côtés, Randle, Robinson, ou Taj Gibson, ou encore Markless qui a une lock sur les ailes. Il y a de quoi faire. Mais pour l'instant il faudra faire nos preuves en sortie de banc. Et ça va pas être tout à fait, ça va nous prendre du temps. Donc on va faire avec les mains du bord. Parce qu'on joue le premier match à domicile devant nos supporters, donc il va falloir faire une bonne impression. Mais bon, on a un client en face, on a des clients. Donc ça va être serré à mon avis. On va voir, ça propose premier. Je rentre assez tôt. En plus, on est devant, donc c'est pas trop mal. On a plus 5. Franchement, je vous dis, on a une. Je trouve que ça va les Knicks. Oula, un petit peu plus défensif là par contre. Les Knicks sont pas trop mal, je trouve. Dans ce début de saison, on est pas mal. Un petit mid-range. Ah, pas de chance. Mais bon, il y a Mitch qui prend les rebonds. On peut compter sur le grand Mitch pour récupérer les rebonds. Oh, l'interception de sur Kemba là. On va calmer le jeu un peu. On va voir l'écran avec Bobby. Franchement, vous dites, ça me surprend des saisons qu'on fait avec les Knicks, on est pas mal là. On avait gagné comme dit le premier match contre les Spurs sur un quasi buzzer de Fred Payton. On a perdu de pas beaucoup contre les Nets, mais on est tombé sur Irving, donc c'était pas facile. Il y a notre match à domicile, donc il faut essayer de faire une bonne impression pour pouvoir permettre aux supporters, pour pouvoir devenir chouchou des supporters. Espérer une place du titulaire rapidement. Comme ça, on fera vite grappiller du général et avoir une bonne chance dans le Knicks en playoff. Même si, comme je l'ai dit, dès ma signature, ça va pas être une chose facile. On va en contre-attaque. Faut encore qu'on trouve nos repères avec cette équipe. Hop là. Un petit passe D pour Taj. Après avec Randle et Robinson, ça va pouvoir les cavardiser un peu, avoir des passes D. Surtout Robinson dans les airs. Ça sera un régal.
You can see the result. The Knicks with the lead. Here's the captain.
Ah, on manque encore pas de réussite, c'est dommage.
And he's been way off the mark this quarter. It's ugly. And Brown throws it down hard. You gotta love how Brown finishes strong, driving fast and hard to the cup for the rim rocking Shazam. The captain passes to Dodson. Now Gibson. Here's the captain. No points in the game yet for him. Wide open look. And there it is for him.
On va appeler le premier match à domicile. Premier point à domicile.
You know, Greg, he's already been on a championship team in the summer league. And that was a fantastic showing from Shea during the summer league tournament. I know a lot of fans will disregard any success that happens before the regular season, but it was hard to ignore the energy that Shea played with. Here's Barrett.
Compliqué ce shoot de Barrett là.
With the three-point shot. Boston trailing. Smart passes to Wanamaker. And the layup's good off the glass. Wanamaker's got 5 points so far. And those are the kind of nice inside looks they've gotten here in the first half. The captain passes to Portis. To the paint. No good from the goal. Not the most productive quarter he'll ever have, but his shot selection's been a little bit... Oh, great ball. Now the book, Greg, is the same for Enes Kanter as it's always been. Great score inside, but his defense leaves you wanting. And Kevin, at this point, he is who he is. I mean,
Non, regarde, il y a le carton. Il a fait un peu l'écart les Celtics. On peut s'attendre. On est un peu maladroit.
Here's Tice. That's good for his third bucket. Now 3 for 6 from the field. And with the lead, I like the strategy here. Continue to get the ball to guys who can do something with it. Oh, I did too, Greg. You have to go to your best scorers. I mean, smart strategy. So far, it's paying off in this game. Here's Brown, and the dunk by Brown. You know, some scouts thought Tatum had tunnel vision, looking only for his own shot. But he's more about team. Knicks trail by 19. Here's the captain. Feeds it to Randall. Yes, it counts. 14 points for him. And you know, he's enjoying the kind of day you expect in terms of shooting the basketball. He can bring them right back into this game. There's the steal. And a fast break now for New York. And it's blocked by Brown. Just tenacious defense from Urban plays shut down defense and stifling shooting. Dodson's checked in for the Knicks. On defense, Boston. Team, you know, Greg, he's a little bit of a rarity in the league.
Tenter un petit rapproché.
Why he chose to stay, but he's trying to put that all behind him and make the most of the fact that he's in there. And they're passing the ball very crisply here. And so it's Boston with it. It's a 13-point game. He has a chance now to catch up with the fourth member of our crew, Hall of Famer David Aldridge.
Well, we all know that circumstances and time changes everything. In Dallas, Dennis Smith Jr. thought he was going to be the cornerstone. But with the arrival of Luka Doncic, everything changed. A promising point guard was traded to the Knicks, and Smith said it was important. It's a big opportunity, and I've just got to make the most of it. Kevin, we know one thing in New York, the ball is back in Smith's hands.
And D.A., that's when he is at his best. Thank you.
pense là.
He's been off the mark, but somehow he hasn't held them back as a team. The captain passes to Randall. And a breakout season for Julius Randle in 2018-19. Average close to 3 and 10, delivering on the talent that saw him taken 7th overall back in 2014. Marcus Smart checked in for Gordon Hayward. And we've seen Randall flourish with more responsibility. He's in his prime playing his best ball. Walker dishes to Brown. Smart kicks to Brown. Celtics passing it around. Walker. Boston again missing. Trade the Lakers allowed Julius Randle to leave and restricted free agency in 2018 so they could...
Randall qui nous fait une belle score, il score bien Randall.
I mean, his defense still lags behind, but offensively, well, he is special. The lefty, tough to deal with inside. Robinson with the block. Pass to the captain. No one near him.
T'attends dedans. Pour un bon retour là. Non, je peux pas faire. Ah, je vais Randall parce qu'il est chaud là, Julius. Gros match là pour Julius Randle, j'ai à 23 points. C'est très très fort. Ils font des loupés, c'est bon pour nous ça. Donc là, Randall est en train de cavaliser Randall là. Franchement, on a déjà 7 passes. Sous les 7, il y en a au moins 5 pour Julius. On est revenu, c'est déjà pas mal. 3 secondes, parfait. On aura une dernière balle pour venir encore un peu plus près à une possession, voire plus. Ah, dommage. Pour au moins 5, on est revenu, c'est pas mal. Bon, au moins 5 à la mi-temps, franchement, on est bien revenu, on a fait une bonne fin de deuxième quart-tour, donc... Les prochains matchs c'était ça plutôt correct, 6 points, 7 passes, 3 interceptions. Franchement, c'est pas mal sorti de banc. Pour voir le retour de la mi-temps, comment on est. Donc on a moins 14.
Marcus Smart's checked in for Gordon Hayward. And Brad Wanamaker subbed in for Walker. On the free throw, no good. And the free agency fate of Kyrie Irving hung over the Celtics last season. Now that he's gone, how do they weather his departure?
Well, yeah, great question. I think that certainly was the drain on all of you. I mean, Kyrie's obviously a elite talent. I still think they have what it takes, though, to get it done.
On the court for the Celtics. Smart and Brown outside on the wing. Williams is out there with Ennis Cantor. And it's Wanamaker in at the point. As we talk about perimeter scoring becoming more prevalent, the biggest shift coming from bigs shooting more threes.
Yeah, they are now counted upon to space the floor. And the better you can shoot, the better you can space the floor. And then more importantly, if you can knock down that three, you become become a triple threat because now you can shoot there, maybe you can dribble and get by, or because of your height, you see different passing lanes, and you can be a better passer, getting your teammates involved, and they like that spacing as well.
On défend pas trop mal.
Slot with the ball. 5 points in the game. 4 on the shot clock. From deep. It's rebounded
Bien
by
défendu Bobix.
Knicks trail by 16. Pass it to the cap. Gets it to go from 18 feet away. The captain's got 8. Austin lead
On
by
est plutôt droit sur le mid-range, donc ça va.
Here's Wanamaker. Brown outside. Again, the miss by the Celtics.
You almost have to assume he's going to knock those down.
Et on enchaîne.
Yep, that one goes in there. Austin's got 1 of 6 3-pointers to drop since coming out of the locker room. And
Pas mal de shoots qui nous mettent en confiance là.
right side Smart. Inside. Picked off in
La petite interception.
Here's the
Il pourrait tout lancer celui-là. Ah!
no good there, and that one's got it to single digits. Here's Boston now. They're on a 16-7 run. Brown the pass to Smart. Kicks it to Williams. Here's Cancer. Second shot opportunity. They shoot again. No good that time. Great D that time from Portis.
And when he's on the floor, offensive rebounding is always going to be a strength for them.
Greg, he keeps so many possessions alive, doesn't he?
Yeah, he does. And the defense has to be aware of this. When you don't put a body on him, you pay the consequence.
Both loose.
L'interception là, boum, elle fait du bien.
That's it, and the Celtics lead is cut down to just 12 points with the basket from the captain.
He's got the hot hand right now. As long as he can keep getting open, they've got to keep seizing it.
Celtics have been at their finest 4 at the free throw line tonight. 8 attempts, 8 makes. And the first one at the line is good.
We're still waiting for that first miss from the line this half. Probably as close to a sure thing as you can have at the free throw line.
Pass to Portis. Uses the glass to finish the layup. Portis has got 7 points in the game.
I love the ball.
Ça la passe à Bobix.
Put that on a silver platter. Just served him up.
On régale, on régale.
Kicks to Williams. Here's Wanamaker.
Non.
A three-pointer is
Ils peuvent même faire un petit double-double.
He's got 10.
It works well there. Not
C'est déjà pas mal. Au bout de quelques matchs de saison, faire un double-double en sortie de banc, c'est très propre.
Shooter miss it. That doesn't constitute defense.
56 seconds left to play here in the third. Knicks with the rebound. Gibson's got 4 rebounds now tonight. Here's Trier. Uses both hands to slam it down.
strong moving to the thin, trying to get his guys going.
Hard not to get motivated, G.A., right when your teammate makes that kind of play.
Yeah, Kevin, you're
Encore une steal up là.
That, and I love his settle for the lane. Attacking in transition, the most consistent way to generate easy.
Fait un gros match en sortie de banc. 12-9, 6 interceptions.
to get out and run when the opportunity is there. He doesn't get the finish, but the D's got to be quicker to rotate and stop him from getting to the rim.
Shot and game clock separated.
Ouais, boule.
Got it, and the Celtics lead has been cut down now to just 9 on the basket from the captain.
Looking to connect with the open man Portis. He's got the right mentality out there.
Here's Wanamaker. 10 points for him. There's the feed to Cantor. Shoots over Portis. The shot's good from Cantor. Cantor's got 12 now in this quarter.
You got to do more than that to keep the ball out of his hand down low.
They must ramp up the effort level, the intensity level. That makes it too
On a des matchs. Bon, moins 11, on est revenu à chaque fois, on revient en fin de carton.
Holding on to an 11-point cushion is.
Il pourrait essayer de
And let's go back to a terrific pass that we're calling tonight our State Farm assist of the game.
essayer justement de
Always been the
passer devant, ce serait cool.
These kind of feeds are his bread and butter. to 3. That's the 5 for New York right now. Pass to Cannon. Back to Wanamaker. Outside, Smart. Now the pass to Wanamaker.
Merde, j'ai Randall qui a tous les rebonds.
And so it's Randall bringing it up now for the Knicks. They'll be playing host to Chicago for their next game.
Pour ça, on peut compter sur Grand Julius.
The captain passes to Randall. No good there. Good work defensively
Dommage.
by Smart. 3 on 3. Here's Wanamaker. And it's off from three-point range. Knicks trail by 9. Shot good from the captain.
And you see the passing instinct Barrett has. Great at recognition out on the floor.
Wanamaker, the pass.
On revient à -7 là. Si on pourrait faire encore un petit stop, ça serait cool. Parfait. Oh, Randall, non, pas bon ça.
And the first one goes up.
Ah, on est à -3, -2.
Fading outside. Here's Randall.
Ah, on perd de 2 points. C'est pas trop grave, on a fait ce qu'il fallait. Franchement, on est petit pas mal. On perd que de 2 points. Nous, on aura fait un bon petit match Je pense que sur le fond individuel, on n'a pas trop à se reprocher. Donc, franchement, je pense qu'on est bien. On a fait des stats corrects, on fait.
Shay, talk about your defense a little. What helped you?
I think it came down to
On a fait un très très bon match, on fait 19, 16 points, 9 passes, 6 interceptions, c'est plutôt pas mal pour un match.